Today, we're gonna show you how to make a lava cake in our air fryer. So lava cake is one of our most favorite desserts in the entire world. We made many variations in the past, and today we're gonna try it out in our Cosori air fryer. So lava cake is basically a cake that has this amazing gooey center. Sometimes people make it raw in the center or they add a filling, but either way it's really amazing. So we really hope you continue to watch this video and try it out. Okay, so in a bowl we're gonna add a 1/3 cup of chocolate chips with a 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, and we're gonna microwave this 20 seconds at a time until fully melted. Let's mix. You're gonna go ahead and sift in a 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. And we're gonna mix this up. Let's add in 1 egg plus 1 egg yolk. Bloop. Bloop. All right, let's turn this mixture into a batter. We're gonna add a 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour. All right, let's put our batter into our ramekins. Okay, here's how you preheat your Cosori air fryer. What you're gonna do is you're gonna turn it on, and then you're gonna press the preheat button. Now we're gonna put it down to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's press the button right here. Let's put some foil on our ramekins. Let's pop our chocolate lava cakes in our Cosori air fryer for 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, we took off the foil of our ramekins and now we're going to put them back in the air fryer for 2 to 4 minutes on the same temperature. Alright everyone, we appreciate you watching this video. Click over here if you want to find another amazing Cosori air fryer recipe. But with that, we'll see you in our next video. Have an awesome day.